Now, in this video, we will go to take up one more problem on the development of lateral surfaces of solids. The problem reads as a pentagonal prism of base side 20 mm and height 40 mm is resting with its base on HP and base edge parallel to the VP. The prism is cut as shown in the following front view. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the prism. So to do that, first I need to go for the Solidate software, and then here you have the default sheet size as A2. Now I need to change it to A4. So to do that, go to the sheet 1 and you just right click on that, click on sheet setup, and in the background sheet you select A4. And do you want to show the background? No, you just disable it and say OK. Then you fit to the screen. So now the sheet is set for A4 size sheet. Why I have to select A4? That is basically because I need to take the printout in A4. Now then I need to go to sketching. Here you select endpoint, the midpoint and horizontal or vertical, and all other options you should make it disabled. This is the condition for this IntelliSketch. Now I need to write the text for the question. So for that I will go for text, then come down to Times New Roman here, and to take the font size as 4 and enter. Now take some arbitrary point, that is click for the position of text string, or click or drag or place to your text box. You just click on here. Now you start typing the text. A pentagonal prism, then of base side 20 mm, of base side 20 mm and height 40 mm is resting with its base on HP and base edge parallel to the VP and base edge parallel to the VP. The prism is cut. The prism is cut as shown in the following front. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the prism. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the prism. Okay. Now you go to select or go to move. Then you move this, and wherever you want you can keep it. Now of course, if you this is the double spacing. If you want to change, you can also change it. Just go to this, right click, and if you have properties, you come down to properties. Then you come down to line spacing, default tab stop. So here indentation, single line spacing. Okay, 1.5. Still it goes further, so you just go to properties, so sheet 1, then you have indents and 0, properties, spacing. So here it is single. Okay. Now once you do that, now we will go for writing the problem. So here first I will go to zoom window. Okay. Then you take a pentagonal prism of base side 20 mm. So go to line, select the line width as 0.05, take a arbitrary point and take 20, angle is 0, then 20, angle is 72, then 20, angle is 144, then you take 20, angle is 216, then 20, angle is 288. Now I need to find the center of this, or it's not, because he has not given anything to the axis, so you need not have to find the center. So now I will go for select this entire drawing, okay, and make it as a group, and you accept it. Once you do that, you go to select this line and come down to this, make it 0.5. Then you go to mirror, select this, mirror with reference to this, but you disable copy, you mirror it. Now you go to move, select this, place it wherever you want. Then you go to line, select some arbitrary point and then draw a horizontal line, and you take offset, the distance is 40, take the distance as 40, select this, then here you start typing the text now. So go to text, take the font size as 3. Now you go to A, B, C, D, E. Similarly on the bottom side, P, then you have Q, then you have R, then you have S, then you have T. Okay, then go to move, take A, then P, similarly B, then Q, then C, then R, then D, then you have S, similarly E, then you have T. Now I need to write the front view. What is the front view? You go to line, take endpoint and draw one vertical line. Go to line, take endpoint of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly, you take this line, then you take the endpoint, then you have this point, then you have this point. Then you go to trim, okay. Now you go to split this line till here, then you 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 split this line till here. Now you want to have 15 and 20, so to do that, so go to offset, take the distance as 15, okay, then you have 20, then the 15th line, it starts from here, line, take endpoint of this to intersection of this to endpoint of this. Now you go to zoom window, so then go to select this line and select this line. So now I want to name them now. So to do that, you will go to text. So here this is A dash, then you have B dash, this is B dash, then you have C dash, then you have D dash here, then you have E dash, similarly you have P dash, then you have Q dash, then you have R dash, then you have S dash, then you have T dash. Okay, then go to fit, zoom window, go to move, A dash, then you have E dash, P dash, D dash, then you have C dash, P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, and D dash. Now you have line command, draw a line from endpoint on this, similarly on endpoint of this. So here go to text, put the caps lock on, type capital X, here you have VP and here you have HP. Okay, then go to move. Okay, so here you go to split, everything is split now. So here you can see, go to select, you select, go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here, split this line till here, of course, it's there. So go to select, by holding the shift key, you select this line and this line, this line. All these three are of 0.5. Then you select this line and this line, which is of dotted line, and you make it 0.35. Similarly, you select between these two and make this as the dotted line. Now when you see this and this, both should have the same the figure with encoding visible and invisible edges. So now we have the drawing which is completed. Now I go for fit, show the dimensions. So to do that, go to dimension style format, ISO, modify, come down to general, go to black, select all these colors as black because I am taking the printout in black and white, and go to text and take it is Times New Roman. Okay, the font size I will take it as 3, then lines and coordinates, make this as 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Now you go for distance between this line and this line, you are going to get 20. You go to fit, select this line and go to distance between this line and this line, you will get 40. Similarly, this line and this point, you are going to get 20, or you take 15 here. Okay, and similarly from this side, you take this, you will get 20. Okay, once you do that, now we want to write the solution. So you go to split this line till here. Now you go to select and you delete this line and go to text, and here you type cap lock on Y. So go to move, select this and move it. So now we go for a line command. Since all the edges are in true length, so we need not have to find the true length in Prism. So you select this endpoint and you draw a vertical line of any length, and then go to trim corner between these two, and then you go to trim. Okay. Now since it is a pentagon, you have 5 pentagonal surfaces, sorry, 5 rectangular surfaces. So go to offset, take the distance as 20 because all these top surface and the bottom surface are parallel to HP, so the entire pentagon becomes the true length. So since I am cutting along AP, so I am going to take this as AP. From here, you take 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go to trim corner between these two. Okay. Now once you do that, now you go to text, you select this, put the caps lock on, type A, B, C, D, E, F. Similarly, you have P, Q, R, S, T, and then P. So cut along AP, so it sends along AP only. Then go to move, select this and move it here. B, then you have C, D, then you have E, then you have F. Similarly, P, Q, R, S, then you have T, then you have P. So once you do that, now I need to name them. So here the first point what we are considering is AP. So you take that point as 1 dash. Then after that it is cutting along BQ, so you take 2 dash. And it is cutting along CR, you take 3 dash. Then it is cutting along DS, so it is invisible here, 4 dash. Since the two section plane meets here, so you will going to get one more point which is 5 dash in bracket. Then here this will going to be the 6 dash in bracket. So once you do that, you just go to fit, then come down to zoom window. Now you go to move command, select this 1 dash and keep it here. Then you have 6 dash, then you have 5 dash, take 2 dash. So similarly you have 4 dash, then you have 3 dash now. Okay. Now once you do that, now I need to write the development. So go to line, take endpoint of this and draw one first point. So go to trim this. Similarly, you take this is on 5, so you take 5 on this side. Okay, that is the top view, because when the two planes meet, you will go to get a line. The two planes is 1 dash to 2 dash, 5 dash and 1 dash. Similarly, 2 dash, 3 dash and 5 dash and 2 dash. So this is the other plane what we are talking about. So I will go for a line command, draw a line from endpoint. So that is on 2. Of course, you will going to have it on S and T. ST is how much? So it is again, this is the total distance is 20. So obviously, what is the distance between these two? So these two will have 10 mm. Okay, you can see here, this is 10 mm. S towards T. So go to offset, take the distance as 10. S towards T. Okay, so this is the point what we are talking about. So you go to trim this line till here and this till here. So we have 1. So I will go to name them. So this is the first point what we are talking about. Then you have the second point which is on BQ. Then after that you have the point where you have 5. Okay. Then you have 3 here. Then what next? I want 4 now. So go to line, take endpoint of this. Okay. Endpoint of this will be where it is on DS. Okay. Then go to trim this line. Then you have 5. Whereas you have 6. 6 is on ET. So you take 6 is on ET and go to trim now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So the font here, this one will be on DS will be 4, because 4 dash is on D dash, S dash. This is 4, 5 and 6 dash is on ET. So this will going to become 6 and then you have 1. So once you do that, go to zoom window. Okay, now you take these points, move it. So first you take 1. Then you take 2, then we have 3, 4, then you have 5, then you have 6, then you have 1. So go to line, take intersection to this intersection, then this endpoint, 4, then you have 5, then you have 6, then you have 1. So once you do that, now you go to split this line till here. Okay, split this line till here. Of course, you need to split that. Go to 4, 5 will not going to get. Go to 6 and similarly you go to 1 here. Once you go to that, then go to shift, select this line, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and you can take 0.5. Similarly 1, so these 2, 3, 4, 5 you don't take, then you have 6, then you have 1. Okay, go to split and make it 0.5. Now once you do this, then go to text and here you type development. Okay, then you go to move, disable copy, you select this and place it wherever you want and go to text between these two. This dimension is 20. Again you go to move this and place it further, P on this side, and go to distance between, select this line and this line, you are going to get it 100. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for this particular problem. So here go to zoom window, go to select this line and this line, make it 0.13 because that is the XY line. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for this particular problem by using the SolidJet software. Thank you.